Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You're highly welcome. So welcome to Valentine. Clean with me rather. Happy Valentine. Today's Valentine. This video will probably be coming a bit late. Okay, guys. So as you can see me today, this video just show you guys how I spent my Valentine day cleaning. Okay, bathrooms and my toilets. Okay, hope you guys had a wonderful Valentine. Yeah, guys, so this is how I spend my Valentine day, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, comment, and let me know what you think. Okay, I hope I'm able to motivate someone. All right, thanks guys for watching. Enjoy watching this video and share it. Okay, guys, catch you guys in my next video. Okay guys, so this is my shower curtain. It comes with hooks as well. It's pretty cheap. I bought it from Tesco. So it comes with hooks. So I'm going to keep my old hooks, which are these ones. I'm going to keep them, and then I'm going to be using this this one that came with the shower curtain. This was actually £2, either £2 or £2.50 in Tesco. But this one you can't wash. This one you have to clean it. The one I took off, you can put in the washing machine and wash it, but this particular one you have to clean it. Okay, so I'm just going to fix it right now in my bathroom. Okay guys, so I've put my shower curtain, as you guys can see. I fixed it, so I'm going to be mopping the floor. That's what I'm going to be doing now.